How to edit drafts on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit drafts on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, go to your profile and click on the reels icon beside posts. Now this is my draft. I'm gonna click on it and you can select the draft you want. For example, I have only this one, and now click on the draft. Now you can edit, tag people's, rename audio, write a caption, and click on the draft. You can also edit cover image, or you can add cover image from your gallery. Now and just click on edit, and now you can edit the video. You can use sounds and you can use text, stickers right on the video, and click on next. And this is it. This is how you can edit drafts on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.